Located in the quiet town of Barrington, this charming cape with an attached one-car garage has been wonderfully updated in recent years. Natural light permeates throughout the open floor plan with hardwood floors. The front living room with an oversized window provides a large, airy space to entertain. The adjoining kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances and custom cabinetry. The nearby mudroom provides access to the garage and the laundry room that steps out to the covered patio. Out here you can dine al fresco and enjoy the private fenced-in lawn with beautiful gardens. Completing the main level are a full bath along with 2 bedrooms, one of which is currently being used as a generous family room. On the upper level are 2 additional bedrooms with vaulted ceilings that make this home a possibility for any living situation. Barrington is a gorgeous seaside community with a nationally renowned school system, including Soame School, which is walking distance away. Downtown Barrington is lined with local shops and restaurants along with the historic town hall and library. Spend downtime at one of the local parks, the town beach, or visit the facilities at the Bayside YMCA. This serene town is only 20 minutes from downtown Providence and its acclaimed theaters and dining options. For more information, please visit the property website or call Will Darling at area code 401-340-9451.